One of the largest European multinationals requested us to assist them in creating, bulk e-signing and managing their 375 intra-company agreements among 70 of their group companies. The results were very impressive. In the analog ages, this took some 800 hours, so half an FTE. Our project, start to finish, took 69 hours only. In the next years, it will take only a few days to renew all those agreements, including e-signing. A time saving of well over 1000%, so more than 10 times as quick. Most of the 69 hours were spent on double-checking data. With an API connection, the work could be completed even faster. The 375 intercompany agreements are three types of contracts: global supply and logistics, distribution and local supply. Each of which has a different pricing mechanism and each of which can be further subdivided. Each of the 375 intercompany agreements has a different set of the specified products concerned, the related trademarks, the territorial scope and choices of court. And we are very excited about projects of this type because they use many great Weagree functionalities that accelerate contracting. It's effortless, foolproof, and you'll never miss a deadline again. Accelerating contract flow will be increasingly easy with Weagree's AI capabilities. Time to enjoy a glass of champagne.